Imagine yourself in this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, stability control, power mirrors. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.